This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter salad easy method. Start by rinsing and chopping all vegetables into bite-sized pieces and chilling them slightly. Toss a small handful of roasted peanuts aside for garnish. Whisk peanut butter, soy sauce, lime juice, water, and honey until smooth, adjusting thickness with water. Combine vegetables and dressing, toss gently, then top with peanuts and a squeeze of extra lime. Gather your ingredients before you start for a smooth, relaxed prep experience. Lay out greens, carrots, cucumbers, roasted peanuts, and any protein you prefer. Measure peanut butter, soy sauce, lime juice, honey, and a splash of water for the dressing. This simple mise-en-place keeps the assembly fast and cheerful. When everything is ready, you can whip up the dressing in under a minute and toss the salad within 5 minutes. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough for a lifetime warranty and serious comfort while you cook. I wear them when prepping messy salads, and they keep my feet happy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Chop vegetables into consistent, bite-sized pieces so every forkful has balance and crunch. Whisk the dressing until silky, adding water a teaspoon at a time to reach your preferred thickness. Gently toss the greens and vegetables with the dressing, making sure not to overwork the leaves. Plate the salad, sprinkle roasted peanuts on top, and serve with an optional protein. Enjoy a fresh, satisfying dish that blends creamy and crunchy textures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.